Yo, Drake, welcome in, bud. Okay, let me remind myself of the challenges. Okay, complete any time attack map. Eliminate a hair maiden. Make a spiked club.
A spiked club you think would be easy.
Yeah, you would. Alright, we're gonna complete all 3 challenges today, everyone. Because I'm running out of time. I have 2 days to do it.
Yeah.
This is it. Today's the day. Oh, good lord.
Should I hit other button? I'm hitting other button.
Oh, I don't know. Hang on. Hang a boot. Because I think...
Festive.
Hey, Festive, I think I can pull up our save file.
You can?
Yes, I think our save...
We die?
I don't think so. Hang on.
Wait, I've already figured there's the hair maiden.
There we go.
Spiked bad.
And time
don't
map.
Die. Oh.
I think.
I thought one of them was don't die.
No, nothing about not dying, I don't think.
Okay.
Yeah.
How do I get into game?
Working on it. I'm gonna send you a thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Send me a thing? I thought I had to type in a thing.
Yeah, I'm sending you the thing that you're gonna be typing in the thing. There you go.
Oh.
I like the fact that they there's a controller input for copying that, and I think that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because I got a sword. Gotta add a sword. What am I supposed to do at work? Not watch Twitch? No, you're right.
Okay.
I'm very excited to read what happened to your deacon. Not in a like I can't wait to hear your suffering kind of way, but I can smell it. It's juicy.
What happened?
Something to do with Deacon and AI.
What?
And I just heard Spec giggling.
I saw that for like 1 second of like scary AI story or something.
Yeah. Oh man, character's knackered. All right, what does this button do? Oh, it's push to talk. That's to run. All right, I think it's better just we get out there and die immediately, you know, just so we get the hang of this again.
Yeah.
Spec, thank you so much for the 485 consecutive stream streak. That's also a big number.
We can eventually learn how to make a bike bad, but currently we can't make many things.
So we did those 2 missions. We've unlocked City Hospital and Town Hall has a red skull in it. So that could be a timed map, maybe. It says time rush on it. So maybe that could be one of the ones. Not sure. This mission has a person's face on it. Is that because you selected it?
Yeah, I thought red meant we already completed it. But...
Oh, no, I think they get torn off completely when we do it. Yeah.
Okay, well then maybe we should do the time one, right?
We should. Should we just do the time one straight away and hope for the best?
What if it goes away next time, or does it stay?
I think it stays. I don't know. I honestly don't know how this works. Let's do it. Fuck it. Let's do it. Fuck it.
I mean, all we gotta do is run in, get the thing.
Run
out, right?
Run out. Absolutely. Hang on. Spec wants me to read a message. I can't see it, Spec. Hang on.
Good.
Yes, I can't see it on the thing because it's too small because I'm using the other monitor. If I lose my streak, I will delete Azadokin's channel and nobody will ever know.
Oh.
That is very funny, but also very insulting and sad. I enjoyed it on multiple intellectual levels. You meanie. What am I doing? This one, select. Alright, okay. Oh boy. I have revolver rounds, a pistol, and a revolver. I'm gonna put my pistol away. Because it feels like we get one anyway, right? And I'm gonna use my revolver. Fuck. Take. I'm gonna put my... Oh, I don't know.
Nothing for Lurk Deacon. Good luck meeting.
Yeah, good luck, Deacon. You can do it. I believe in you, buddy. Sorry if I missed something in chat, by the way. Just welcome in, everyone. I hope everyone is good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Ready. If this is one of the time challenges, if someone doesn't mind hitting the clip button, you don't have to like edit it in a fancy way. Just if you just hit the clip button, that would be fantastic. If not, I'll try to make a highlight. You have to submit a clip to prove that we did it. Yeah.
Isn't that like by the end of the thing?
No, just I have to do it before the 2 days are up.
No, like us completing the level, then clip.
Yeah, it'll be a clip at the end. Yeah, something that signifies.
Hold on.
Yeah, no worries. I don't know. It's been a minute. I don't know how to play the game. Okay.
Restore.
Oh, we need. This is we're in a rush. We need to go.
Yeah. Door.
Right.
Also pistol.
How do you dash again?
Door.
Oh, right bumper.
Click down. There's things on the ground.
Pistol over here.
Things.
Scraps.
Like
Yeah, scraps.
And I have pistol.
Yeah, pistol. Okay. Oh, you already have a pistol. I'll pick up the pistol over here. Sell it for later. Oh, there's a time up there. Okay, good. Tonic. That's good. That's
a big
what is
guy. That's a big guy. I don't remember how to switch my weapon out.
I don't remember. Oh my god!
It's just aim. Just aim, and then you shoot.
Oh my god!
Okay.
But you aim and shoot, huh?
Yeah, you just aim and shoot.
I see.
Simple.
Very simple.
Amber,
I'm gonna.
That's what we needed.
What the fuck? Shit! I'm sorry. I thought I was healing us. I wasn't healing because I was throwing a Molotov. Hilly, this is not going well.
Where did you even get a Molotov?
I don't know. I don't know where I got a Molotov from. Okay.
Was it this door?
There's a door over here. I just opened up.
A pearl gemstone? What the hell was the amber one for then?
Hey Lillian, how you doing?
Yeah, hello, Lillian.
I'm here for another hour before I got morning meetings. We'll clip when you call it if I can. Oh, jeez, Drake, I appreciate it, man. Again, if no one can or no one feels like it, don't worry. There's no pressure.
Locked from the other side.
Time map, if we complete this in the time. I am dying. I am dying. Do you have a thing?
I can.
Thank you. Okay, there we go.
Chemicals.
This door's locked from the other side. Fuck! Okay, yeah, this is where we need to go. You're right.
Everything over there is locked at the moment.
Okay, so we need a fuse?
We need a lot of things, but the fuse is one of them, yes.
Okay.
Grenade.
I got a pearl gemstone.
Cloth. That's one of the things we need.
For the center door, right?
An emerald one, yeah.
Right, I'll go and put this one in and see how many we've got. I need an emerald gemstone. That's not even part of what it needs. Alright, that's locked. Okay. Shit, I don't even know where we're supposed to be going.
Found emerald gemstone.
Oh, nice. Okay, I'll meet you outside.
Probably the fuse in there or something. Oh my god.
Yeah, it has to be.
Like half the time limit.
I know. Can I hit this guy through here?
Okay.
Do you know the reload button? Square.
Square. It just does it by itself. One of them. I went the wrong way.
No, Haley. No, not now. If you press the back button, I think the map comes up. Yeah. I think we fully explored that area. Right, let's go. I'm ready.
Oh, I don't remember how this puzzle works.
Which puzzle?
The puzzle.
Oh, I don't see it. Oh, I see it now. I don't know how this works.
Did it?
Oh, you did it? Fantastic. I keep pressing B to dash because I was playing a lot of Cyberpunk.
There was a dash button, right?
It's the
Here's
bumper.
revolver rounds
Yeah.
over here. Oh.
Thank you.
Ooh, a sledgehammer.
Ooh, that
You
sounds
think
fun.
sledgehammer is better than axe? Or
I don't know.
even move around my inventory. I don't remember how to
The
move my
Y
inventory
button.
around.
I don't know how to move it around
That
now.
just brings up the inventory.
Yeah, I'll find another Molotov. I'll try to use it for the betterment of humanity this time.
Get it later. We need like a fuse.
Yep. Oh, I don't know. I shouldn't have picked those up. There's grenade rounds? Grenade rounds. Rounds.
What is that? What is that? What is that? Just a herb?
Oh, I need that.
Would like that.
Oh, you would like that? Hang on, come over here. Do you need some ammo?
It's fine. It's fine. It's
okay,
fine. It's
okay,
fine. It's fine. I found the fuse. My inventory is full though.
Okay, working on it, working on it. I got it.
What is this?
Got the fuse.
Okay.
So now we go back.
Let's go.
Oh, I like the little
This
cloth
should
there.
be like just open.
Oh, shortcut,
you
nice.
Put it like right here.
Yep, on it. Oh, okay, I got the little mini game.
Oh god, I can do the mini game with you.
Yes, you can, which is cool. There we go.
Okay.
There's a thing on the floor over there. I don't know what that is.
Oh.
There's a thing there. Green herb. Yep.
Oh, that's the thing we're looking for. I feel like we just gotta do it and run.
Yeah, let's just go. Let's just go.
My inventory's full. Give me a second. I'm gonna throw my tonic. Who needs a tonic anyway?
Who needs a tonic? Yeah, let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here. Yep. Let's go.
Oh god.
Yep.
Oh god, that's loud. That's loud. That's loud. That's loud. That's loud.
What is that?
That looks like a spawny
area.
Yeah,
I don't like that.
Oh, the big thing.
Here. You pressed it?
Oh, the big thing.
You pressed it?
Big thing.
You pressed it?
Big thing. Yeah.
Yep. 3, 2, 1. That's fine. I think we're good.
I think I'm dying.
I think we're leaving. I hope we're both leaving.
I'm seeing the animation for it.
I see it too. Did we do it?
Mission success. Is that the time thing? Did we do it?
I don't know.
In 7 minutes? Did we? I mean, you could clip it just in case.
Just in case, yeah. I need it to say somewhere of what it. Oh, Haley, I think you died.
What? That's fine, right?
Oh yeah, that's fine. We did the mission.
But did I lose all my stuff?
I don't know. Did you?
I did.
Oh no. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I lost everything.
Oh, you left me behind. I died. Excuse me, sir. I didn't even know you were there. Were you one of the zombies? What? Did we do it then? It's done.
Is that the mission?
I don't know if that was a timed. How did it word it in the thing? Was it time challenge or something? Right.
I thought was it time
attack map. Time attack. Was that? I think it was a time attack. All right, clip it.
I mean, that's it.
Clip it.
That's it. Unless we find another thing that's specifically.
Yes, that says that. Yeah. Okay. If anyone's available to just to press the clip it, you clip it. Haley, if you need stuff, do you need like pistols and stuff again? And like an axe.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. I've got a bunch of stuff that I picked up from that mission. No, we succeeded. Yeah.
I think.
Take this.
Oh, I still have
ammo. Drake did. Drake got it. Thank you, Drake.
Are you giving me a revolver, or did you just drop that by accident?
That's for you. I found one when we were out there.
Okay. Next mission.
Yes.
Wait, you think that crawly thing was a hair maiden?
Oh, fuck. Maybe it was a hair maiden. Is there any way to check? Oh, we do have a bestiary thing. Hang on. Let me check.
We do?
Yeah, where is it? Like, I remember reading through something on this, and it was, like, really cool. Shit, what button was it?
Where?
I don't
There's a
remember.
specific button for it? Oh.
There was...
Oh, no, that just shows
the
our
room thingy,
room
yeah.
code.
No, there's something. Not the D-pad. I swear to God, there was something. There's something...
You know... hitting the button that it tells me for the one thing, it just blinks the room code for some
Yeah.
reason.
Oh, it blinks because it's copying.
Oh, is that what that
Yeah,
button
that's what it
does?
is,
Oh.
yeah. Where did I thought there was a little thing where you could see the enemies and stuff, and I was like, last time didn't I say that was really cool? But what button would it be? It's not that.
I
Not
don't
that.
remember.
I don't remember either.
Last time was a week ago.
Yeah, it was a while ago. There was absolutely something in the game. What the fuck was it? Maybe I'm thinking of something else. Not that, not that, not that. It's gotta be something in this room, surely. I don't remember. Cause yeah, you're right. It could have been a, you know.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess we keep going until I don't know. We just keep going. But we definitely defeated her. I was right up in her grill.
Yeah. The first time, not the second time.
Yeah. Okay. I need to learn skills. That's what I need to do, because the skills is what grant us different things that we can combine. How do I tab over to that? Okay, fitness and health improves wellness and survival. Melee, it's probably the melee combat one, so I'm going to save up for the next stage of that and see if it's in there. Because I've got the first military book and the first martial arts book. But then what do we get from this one? I'm going to just get it, just so we see what it is. How do you get it? Do I not have any of these points? Yeah, I do. How do I... Oh, is it... Reduce stamina consumption, unlock gun attachments crafting, tactical scope, high caliber barrel, magazine extender. No, that's not what it is. Does this tell me what the next one is?
I think it was because okay, I'm looking at this like guide. I can't find any pictures of what the hair maiden is supposed to look like. But
Thank you,
the real
sir.
danger comes from elite anomalies. These are mini bosses designed to ruin your day. The hair maiden is a terrifying crawling monster that will lunge and bind you with her hair. Your teammates will need to shoot the hair to free you, which is what happened, correct?
Yeah, I was mashing A to get out of it, but yeah.
Yeah, same. Yeah.
Then that must have been... We must have done the hair maiden.
While I was shooting.
Yeah. Okay, so that we've done 2 of the days.
Yeah.
Yo, we fucking nailed it.
I mean, we definitely did the hair maiden. 100%.
Yeah, okay, definitely did the hair maiden. Cool. Oh, it's working now suddenly. Oh, I can craft first aids and stuff?
Oh, at the very least, I keep my abilities. I just realized that.
Oh, that's handy. Like, you have to keep something, otherwise you just make a new character, you know? How do I switch back? Oh, it's just the right bumper again. I can make first aid meds now.
Choice.
Radio?
I legit can't see any of the clips.
Sorry, sir. Yeah, all the clips. Pasting links is thingy. Is thingy on my channel. I'm sorry. If you post it into the Discord though, they will pop up in there, and I will compliment you on it there. I promise.
Like blinkies. What are they called?
Asterisks. Yeah. Do one of these. There we go. All right, I'm out of scraps. Okay, Haley.
Yes.
I've given you Did I give you a pistol? You set, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm set too.
Pistol, revolver. You did give me an axe, but I don't know how to equip it. Oh, never mind. It's just press A on it.
Yeah. I don't know why I'm having such difficulty with the controls. It is very intuitive. It's fine. All right. Shall we go to the city hospital next or the police station?
I thought we could only go to the police station.
No, we can go to both.
Let's do police.
Sounds good to me. This is quite a big area, and there's 2 guns of machine caliber variety we can find.
Ready.
Went for the full 60. Thank you, Drake. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. As soon as I'm done with this, I'll check all the clips in the clip highlight area, and I'll crop accordingly and put it up. I really appreciate anyone hitting the button. I appreciate it. I juggling multiple stuff while streaming. Never been good at it. Ooh, grenade. Like, I threw a Molotov at ourselves while we were playing in the last map. I cannot be trusted to do multiple things, okay?
Pistol. Don't need it.
I'll take it, because I don't need it. But I might be able to disassemble it afterwards? I'm not sure.
Okay, the thing is over here, and there are some also, like, a graphically glitching riot shields when you point your flashlight at them.
Cool. I've opened up another way to the side. I'm going to explore this end.
Okay, split it up.
Oh yeah, they definitely want to come up with that. Can I hit these guys? Nope. Okay. There's a jail area.
Just like RE2. Yo, I got an SMG.
Oh my god, Haley, there's so many enemies in here. Oh yeah, that's one of the things to find here. One is an SMG, sorry. And then the other one, I think, is like a machine gun, another type of machine gun. I found something that I can turn on and off.
Oh, ow! Beware! Zombies jump through windows, apparently.
Oh, fantastic!
Just out of nowhere.
Okay, there's a puzzle in this place, and I think it opens up various doors in the jail area. I'm not gonna fuck with it until both of us are here.
Ow.
I'll just ignore it for now.
Okay. Cloth.
Scrap. Molotov cocktail, cannot be trusted with that either.
Officer's notebook.
Hey, what is the mission anyway? What are we doing?
Officer's
classified container. Okay, it's a traditional thing.
There's nothing in the officer's notebook.
There's a keypad, numbers on. I named the clip 7 minutes is all the time I can spare. Thank you, sir. There's a keypad here, so I need to find some numbers from something.
Yeah. So I found a thing, but there's nothing in it. And I'm confused.
Do you think that's just like a randomly generated lack of something?
I don't know. It
oh
feels
shit!
like there should be something in there, but
I'm so
there's
sorry,
nothing
everyone.
in there.
There's no sound coming. I don't think from my end for the game. Hang on.
Oh, I need a key code over here to get to the actual like mission thing.
Property. There we go. Sorry about that, everyone. I was wondering. Yeah, sorry, sir. Maybe someone mentioned it before. I fucked up. There we go. There should be sound now.
Oh.
I'm a professional,
How
sir.
are we going to prove this?
I know.
The killing of the hair baby.
God damn it! We need another clip with sound.
Wait,
ah!
Oh, you can't get over there, can you? Well, there's a way to get over to my side, but it's locked from the other side. But it looks like you also have a door on your side that is locked from the other side to be able to get over to both sides.
I have too many grenades. I've got some mixed herbs, and I've got like a DIY aid kit. I'm very excited to give that to you. I've got rifle ammo. Oh, hello. You hang on. Do you need healing stuff? Are you good?
Oh,
Oh boy.
I'm good for now, though. I guess I could use like a bit of a heal.
Yeah, let me give you it because I need space anyway. Drop is left trigger.
Oh, I gotta show you the thing. I gotta show you the thing. I
Please
gotta
do.
show you the thing. Look, look. Over here, there's just an officer's notebook. There's nothing in it.
What the fuck?
There's absolutely nothing in it.
Wow. That doesn't seem right. It's just blank pages?
Yeah.
Huh. Huh. Oh wait, the music's getting a bit loud. There we go. Oh well, what we need is through here. Oh, this is also a keypad that takes numbers. Right.
Yeah. Is there anything on incoming enemy horde? What do you mean?
Great.
Where? Which? Who? When?
One is on my face.
What?
Yeah, it's over here.
Oh fuck! I got like 4 on me.
Yeah.
5.
Trying to make my way towards you.
Ow! 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 Okay, they did.
Yeah. Okay. Good. 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 Oh, there's a doll thingy here. Yeah, I think maybe we might find something in the prison area.
I'm thinking like we should be able to check the pooter.
Oh yeah, sure. There's a healing herb here if you need it.
Oh.
Ah, office database. Donnie K. Sergeant. Blood type A, date of birth, and his member ID number. We have Wayan B. Ferdis. Yona Hossein. And back to Donnie. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this information.
I don't know.
Neither do I.
Whispers over in this direction?
Ah, whispers.
Yeah, if you like hear whispers over in this room.
Well, my TV might not be loud enough. Oh, you know, if this is one of the policeman's lockers, then maybe we need a number from the locker, like maybe the date of birth or something. I'll read some out to you if you want to try it.
They're like police ID or their date of birth, I guess.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, Wayan, the only number I see is his member ID and date of birth. The member ID is 2545.18.
Oh, wait. There's a sign over here.
Oh.
April 18th, 1996. Instructions for all employees regarding the numerical lock system on electrical lockers. Dial the number and keep the light green. If the light is red, repeat from the beginning. Sounds like a guessing game to me. Oh my god, it's just the locker from like personal locker from RE2. Remember?
Oh, I see.
Remember?
So it's 167 is as far as I've got so far. I don't remember this from RE, no. Okay,
you don't remember? You don't remember the
1673.
38? Nope.
16735. 4 2 8. I did it.
Oh.
Assault rifle! Do you want it?
Don't really have room.
I have room. I will use it. Equip.
So does that mean the other locker is...
There's another computer over there.
I'm glad you members are...
I don't remember, no. It's been a while since I played RE2. I have to turn on electricity.
I don't know if it was in the original, but like in the remake, there were like personal locker things, and then like it was like just complete guessy game.
Right. Okay. I think I know what to do next, but I'll need your help.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay, so this actual thing needs like an actual number. Why is C an option?
Cancel maybe?
Oh.
Meet me in the jail room.
8 7. Unlock.
Wait, what? Did you do it?
I'm in the locker room.
How did you... Oh, you're in the locker room. Yeah, I get you. I get you. I get you. All good. 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 This way.
Zombies?
Yeah, I wonder if we can like... No, okay. Let's try.
I've never been in this room. This room doesn't feel safe though.
It's a bad room. It's a bad room.
The doors are totally gonna open at
Oh,
some
100%.
point.
So this is what we have to do. We have to fiddle with this. See, you see this?
Oh god. Oh no, I don't like these things.
So A and
oh
A and...
no.
I think we have to get... Oh, I see. I think I understand how this works.
Oh no.
We're trying to get them both level, like both onto 5 or something.
Yeah.
Oh, I did that by accident. Hang on, I can do it again.
Oh, I did it.
You did it? Oh, fantastic. Oh, God.
Oh.
I'm just going to use this machine gun. What else is it good for, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's out of ammo now. I'm going to switch to my revolver.
You're out.
Okay, there's stuff in these rooms, though. Like a green herb.
You would think I would change to my SMG, but nope.
If you need healing, let me know.
Noise.
God, must it make that noise?
Oh, this dude's just chilling.
Watch out behind you.
Look, this dude's just chilling
Another
himself
grenade.
still.
Oh, so he is. Doors are hard. I get it. I gotta use a grenade. I've got like 3 of them. Each one of them takes its own slot.
We can do that when we're like escaping, right?
Yes.
So what did that do for us, or did it?
Turned on the
allow us into
electricity.
the visiting
Yeah. So
room?
now we can go on here.
I'm gonna croissant.
What about croissants?
It's a zombie.
Oh.
They're like croissant.
I don't understand. I kind of dig this game. I don't know. There's something about it I really like.
Yeah. Yeah. It's chill.
What the fuck is that?
That's a vomiter. I read about them
You did?
when I was looking up the Hair Maiden.
I don't like it.
No.
Fuck.
They do not really seem cool.
I'm throwing a grenade.
Oh, ow.
Sorry.
That was more at me than at the enemy.
You right. I can make it better. I can make it better. I can make it better. Let me give you. Come hither. Come hither. There. I dropped some mixed herbs. Consider it an apology
For now.
for having Molotoved you and grenaded you within today's stream, back to back. I found another fucking grenade.
This needs another code.
Oh, SMG ammo. Hang on.
Oh my god, this note actually has a thing. Member ID, birth date, DDMMYY,
watch out.
password.
Oh, yes, so it does. Oh, so the member ID, the date of birth, the month, the year is the password. Okay. No, wait. The member ID divided by the birth date, or plus the birth date. It looks like an equation, isn't it?
No.
No?
No, it's not saying like minus, right? Member ID, birth date plus password. Yeah.
Huh?
Member ID, which is the date, I think, or no, maybe, I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, well, we'll figure out soon, I guess. This guy, have we been in this room?
What
Okay.
room?
Yeah, I was in this room. Okay. All right. Well, then we need to make note of all the date of births of those people from the database. Wasn't there another computer around here somewhere?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a bunch of people waiting for us in that room. Alright, so...
Computer was over here.
Right, so here... How many numbers does this take? It takes, 6 numbers. It takes 6 numbers.
Okay, so...
Yeah. Date of birth, month, yeah, so it'll be 222, yeah. Give me some numbers,
But there's also the member ID, right? So maybe
Right.
it is like some sort of weird, because it says member ID plus...
yeah, right? I think it's
birth.
plus. Kodo said 42.
Right?
Kodo, I don't think that's gonna work, buddy. I'll try it. Damn it, Kodo.
Okay, so, Donnie, his member ID is 25, 45, 22.
Okay.
His birth date is 14 June 1952.
Fuck. Alright, I'll get a calculator. God damn it. Hang on. Alright, hang on. Let me pull up a calculator. We have a hard.
Are we getting a hard?
Yeah, we're getting a hard. Incoming hard. God, they want me to do math.
Where are the enemies?
Here with me. A lot of them are here with me.
I don't see any.
I do. Oh my god, there's so much blood. Thank you.
Also, hi, Kodo.
Hey, Kodo, what's up, buddy?
I
Alright, I got pistol ammo. Do I have a pistol? I do. Alright. Okay, give me the numbers again.
Donnie's number, yeah.
Where's my
I don't know if Donnie is the right one, though.
We just start with Donnie. We'll figure it out.
Times.
Yeah.
25.
25. 45?
Or wait, hold on.
Yeah,
You want me to do like 25 plus 14?
No. Just give me the whole string first, the top one. So 25.
45.
42. 42. Okay.
What? 22.
22? Oh, fuck. Hang on. 25.
Yeah.
What's the next two?
45, 22.
45, 22. Okay. 25, 45, 22. And then give me his birthday.
14 June 1952.
June is the 7th month. And then what year was he?
No. July is the 7th month.
Fuck, you're right. Oh shit, I'd do it from the beginning. 25, 45, 22. Yep. And then what's his date of birth?
14
6 52. That would give us 395174. I'm gonna try that.
I feel like, where's the other pewter again?
5. I don't remember.
1 7
4. It did not work. It did not work.
Wait. Wasn't there a sign? There was the sign. Did it not say something different than what we're doing?
What do you mean? What did it say different? Did
it tell us to do the
Daha, April 1896. A one regarding the computer password codes. Do not use birth dates because it will be easily predictable and be exploited. Irresponsible.
What?
Office computers contain confidential protection with this sensitive. So the member ID, birthday, what?
Yeah. My only question was, like, for some reason I had it in my brain that it was asking for month, day, then year.
Oh right, yeah, the traditional US format.
Yeah, but then like on the computer it was different for some reason.
Right.
But it's not like that. Okay, so it's not.
Okay, give me the next fella, I guess.
What about Y and B?
Okay, let's go for it.
25. 45, 18, and then 2 is October the 4th.
The second of October.
11th.
Hang on, what's his day?
October, because October is next day. I mean, next month. 2
Second, because if it's 2, I'll have to put. Okay, so 2, and then oh shit, hang on. Oh fuck. Okay, 2 October, which is the 10th month, and then what year?
1956.
56. That gives me 275574, which is also incorrect. Always, I think. Yeah, I don't like the music. I think the music means that a new one will be brewing soon. Okay, what's the next one?
Kayano?
Kayano?
Like...
Okay, wait.
Horde.
Fuck.
As I don't know what happened.
Yeah.
But your Fuji react is just your Discord image.
What? All right, give me a second. What is going on today? Why is everything breaking?
I don't know. How did it even switch over to just Discord?
How did it do that? Okay, hang on. Let me... What is going on? Wait. Oh my god. I need some coffee, I think. I need a coffee, I need a good little sit down. Alright, is it fixed? I logged back into Fuji React.
No.
No? What do you mean no?
You're just the Discord.
What?
Yeah. Do I need to do something on my side?
I feel like, yeah, Fuji React has done something and everything's changed a little bit and I just don't know what it's done. Let's try to fix it after we get out of here.
But like one moment ago, it was the right thing.
I don't know what's going on. Wait.
Well, I can't
Drake,
change
why did you give me 6942-0? I like boobs. Let me try boobs. God damn it.
Oh my god, I'm moving my character even though I'm tabbed out. What?
Yeah. Zer's saying that apparently some people are having issues with it. It's because they've updated it, Zer. Things have changed. Like my browser source with Haley went really funky and I had to make a new one. So you might have to do the same thing, maybe, Haley?
Oh my
I'm not
god.
sure.
Wait, am I just a... Oh, there's blue checkers on your screen.
What? Oh, fuck, you are just blue checkers. You were fine a second ago.
What? How did I turn into blue check? Oh,
I don't know.
Morgabla?
Why are you blue? What? Why are you blue checkers? Haley, what are you doing?
It's because of my Discord image.
Oh my god, are you fucking with me? Okay, so I guess it's just busted then.
Yeah, I guess
Deacon.
so.
It's been popping up error messages for people. I see. Well, I guess Haley, you are a box of checkers for a while.
Blue checkers. All right, you need the next one, right? Did I already give you Kayano, or do you need Kayano again?
Listen, I don't remember.
Did you do 25, 46, 19?
25, 46, 19. No, I didn't do this one. 7th of June? 7th of June. June is 06. 19...
51.
51. Fuck, I did that wrong. Hang on, sorry, Haley. Okay, start from the beginning. 25. Hey, Reaper.
46, 19.
46, 19. Okay, and then it was
7 June 1951.
7th of June 1950 what?
51. I don't like the music's picking back
Yeah,
up.
I know, I hear it. Okay, I've got the number. Typing it in. Didn't work. It didn't work.
Okay. Should we wait until after this to do the next one?
Yeah,
or...
we should. I'm gonna come to you and I'm gonna write down the numbers and then I'm gonna go back and put them all in.
That makes sense.
Because I don't like being alone anymore. Scary. Scary. Where's the computer? I was in the other room. Ah!
That one's fast. Ow.
Okay, I'm gonna throw a grenade. Yeah, I see it. I missed.
Oh god.
Oh no, Haley, I think I'm dying. Haley, I'm dying.
Dead.
Haley, I'm dying.
Well.
Oh my god. Oh Christ. Well, back to the drawing board. How are you doing, Reaper? It's good to see you, buddy. Why am I think part of me is still asleep. I think I've just been exhausted this entire time. Haley, you're back.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Gonna pretend to work, hopefully catch the stream while I'm home. Hey, yo, what's up? Yeah, what's up?
I tried looking up the thing.
Which thing?
I tried looking up how to make a
spiked bat?
Baseball bat.
Yeah. What is it?
And let me tell you how much the AI overview sucks.
Oh god, yeah, the AI overview stuff does really suck.
Because I didn't read it fully. I just looked at the highlighted part that said you need a wooden baseball bat, scrap, and a box of nails. And I was like, oh, well, we already have a baseball bat and we have scrap. We just need to find a box of nails. You know what it says directly above that?
What?
To craft a spiked bat in Days Gone, which is likely what you meant
god.
by Whisper Mountain Outbreak.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I was getting confused because I was looking like further below the highlighted part and it was like, you unlock the recipe for it by completing the No Starving Patriot storyline, which gives you 7% completion of the Ambush Camp Hunter storyline. It's like, what? Huh? That can't be right.
Oh my Christ. Oh no, why is everything reset? What? I've still got a life left. Well. Oh wait, these have completely... Wait, why these come back? Weird.
It doesn't say. How do you make it? How do you upgrade items?
Well, I know how to upgrade them. It's just that place.
But how do you upgrade them?
I think it's just craft. Or combine. So I think if we found a box of nails, we would just combine the two. We just need to know the ingredients.
What?
Yeah.
But what if there are no boxes of nails?
And then hopefully it's just like a recipe that we can learn.
I haven't seen any recipes as of yet.
Okay, this one's called a time rush, not a time attack. But I can't imagine it being... Interesting.
Isn't time rush what we did before?
I think so. Maybe? Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what all this means.
I assume would be the same thing.
Yeah. Alright, I say we just do some of the beginning missions and we just try to blast through them as quickly as we can. It seems like the longer we take there, the worse things get. What's up?
Maybe we need this skill.
Yes.
Skill.
Yes.
There's a
that's
skill
right.
called craftsmanship.
Yep. Do you know what level of craftsmanship?
It just says skill set craftsmanship and materials.
Okay.
Baseball bat, 60 scraps.
60 scraps, okay. That sounds right. Then all we need to do is complete these maps to get the little eyeball symbol. So I can spend that on learning crafting things.
Yeah.
369, damn she fine. Don't know that translates to numbers though. Yeah, I'm not sure what that would be in numbers. We're prepared for next time though, Drake. I'll put that in immediately. Jeds, welcome in. I didn't see you there, you cheeky little monkey. How you doing?
Good. It's great that we're both reset now.
Yep.
Did you pick up pistol?
I did.
Do you want pistol ammo?
I can give you the pistol completely because I would rather have the revolver.
Oh.
Let me drop this.
I won't say no.
And drop this. Yeah, I'm much more of a revolver kind of guy.
Oh, people!
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh god, this bat is terrible.
That sucks.
Sucks. Oh my god.
Why can't we take their crowbars?
I know.
Like something?
I bet there's a percentage chance that they drop. Ooh, I like the fire effect. I've been here since the start. What? No way, Jeds. I would have noticed. I would have been like, hey, Jeds, what's up, man? Welcome in.
Revolver rounds.
Oh, thank you. How you doing though, Jeds? I hope you're well, buddy. Can I just break these?
Ah, I just brought this one back to life.
Oh, fantastic. Nothing here. Pistol ammo. Pistol ammo.
Greener pistol.
Door locked.
Door open.
Ooh, is that a revolver? Yeah, it is.
Crap.
Oh my god, how many times do I have to fucking hit these people? Pistol ammo again? Got a lot of pistol ammo. It might be worthwhile, like, upgrading a pistol all the way, I guess, because we have so much ammo for it.
If I can learn how to upgrade, then yes.
Yeah, I can show you when we get back to the thing. I've been upgrading, because I upgraded a couple of our weapons before, didn't I?
Yeah, oh.
Yeah, I see it.
There's a thing on the wall.
There is a thing on the wall.
Oh, people.
Just tired. I'm exhausted as well, Jeds. Is the weather there still kind of balls hot? Another pistol ammo?
Thing. Okay. Do you want to read them off?
Sure.
Should I read them off?
I can read it off to you. What do you need?
J.
Middle.
Middle L.
To the right of that.
5.
Above the L.
0.
Top left.
M.
Top middle.
4.
Middle left.
Middle left.
Middle left.
This didn't seem to work. Unless I have to hit the button. Never mind, it worked.
Okay.
I thought it would just like
do it. Yeah.
Instead of having to put an extra button.
Yeah, just tired, Jeds, but I'm in good spirits. Just had a rain a minute ago. The heat has fucked off today, so let room for clouds instead. Gotcha.
Want more rain, I think. There's no point in going in there. We've already been in there.
Oh, so we have. I'm glad it's cooling down. Is that the only thing making you tired? Just the weather, dude? Or is there other stuff? Oh.
Crap.
Oh, I just picked up pistol ammo.
What is that beeping noise?
I don't know. I don't hear it.
I keep hearing like meow.
Oh. Oh, there's the thing that we need. We've already got the weapon. I say we get it and go.
When I pick up like cloth or like scraps, it just goes like meow.
Oh. Right, shall we make an exit strategy first, I guess? Ooh, ammo.
Is that a horde? Is that a horde music?
Probably. Let me give you some stuff. Here you go.
Beep 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 beep. The keypad is on the other side.
So it is. But we don't need to do it. We've already found the thing, and we've got the web. That's a lot of them. That's a lot of them.
The horde ain't even here yet. There it is.
I gotta
we
stop her.
haven't been. Oh.
Oh fuck.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Okay, reload this. Mostly the gym? Ah, okay. So mostly self-inflicted for health reasons.
What?
I was just asking how Jed's is. He said he's tired. Mentioned going to the gym. So I guess out of all the reasons to be tired, that's a good one.
I'm not really seeing the horde.
Neither am I. Shall we get the thing and get out of here? Thanks, Beck.
Yeah.
I say we leave.
Yeah. Do we know where the escape path?
Yeah, this is what the room that you're in right now. Straight at the bottom.
It is? Oh.
Mm-hmm. All the way down there.
Oh.
Yeah, so this bit. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
Okay. So we can go this way?
Okay.
Yeah, let's get the thing and get out of it.
The bedroom is open now.
Oh, okay, you check the bedroom first.
Nothing.
Alright, I'm gonna grab it and then I'm gonna come meet you.
Nothing. There's a whole lot of nothing in the bedroom.
Alright, I got it.
Whole lot of nothing. Where's the car?
In the area that you were in the hallway. At the bottom. Or you can head towards me.
You want me to wait? You want me to wait?
No, go. Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. Go down.
You want me to wait?
Well, you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. The other way. Go back out.
I am?
Yeah. Straight down. Yeah. That's it. You're good. And we're out. Nice and clean. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna crank the volume a bit. I want to hear this data dying. Alright. Okay. Uh-huh.
So how do we upgrade our skill point?
I'll show you. Come over here.
How do I use my skill points?
So go to this workbench. And then press the right bumper.
Learn skill.
Yep.
There's nothing on here that says
so when you buy one of these guides or books or magazines, it will unlock perks or something that will give you more knowledge to combine things. I just don't know which one is which.
Yeah. Maybe
I assume the second one, the martial arts guide. Because that one says. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I can make the spiked bat right now.
You can?
Is it okay? Yeah. Is it
oh my
okay
God.
if you steal my clip, or does that not count?
I don't know. How did you get it?
Craftsmanship.
What do you mean craftsmanship?
Craftsmanship.
Oh.
I got the martial arts guide, and then craftsmanship popped up.
Oh, cool. I don't know if yours will count for me if I don't have it. Fuck. I think we should be double sure and I should have it.
Yeah.
Because then it's like a clip that I can show off that we've got it.
Yeah.
But now that you figured it out, it shouldn't be difficult for me to figure it out.
I'm going to make it anyway.
Definitely should.
Look at me. I have a spiked spiked bat. Look at that. Look at that.
That's amazing. That's amazing. I need one more point, then hopefully I'll be able to get it.
Clip gods. We have made
Check me out, clip gods. Oh, that's really good. Okay. What do this life stimulant and energy stimulant? Are they permanent upgrades?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I can get the energy one.
Yeah, I got an energy one.
Do we just drink it immediately?
I think so. Yeah, because it disappeared.
They are permanent. They are.
Yeah, I was gonna get one for you.
I've had 120 health this entire time.
Fantastic. All right, fuck it. Let's get on to the next one.
I can't make any more hip pouch.
I am going to take some pistol ammo. Put this away.
Okay, so what do we do once we complete all the things?
All the challenges?
Yeah.
Once we complete all the challenges, we finish the game.
Okay.
Yep. We're heading back to the police station. Yep.
Okay.
Yep, we're gonna do it again. We're gonna do it again. With less things, but with a better attitude. That's gonna work out.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how that works. Yeah.
Less things is a win game.
Alright, if we see those numbers again, let's just write them all down as quickly as we can. I still think it might be a division, but it said plus on the side, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. It wouldn't be lying to us, would it?
Nah, they're not allowed to. Against the law. If you find a pistol, I wouldn't mind grabbing it.
Oh, pistol.
Unless you need it.
Nope.
Oh, okay. I figured you already have one.
I thought it would give me ammo. Like, fuse into my other pistol.
If only.
Pistol scraps. Poppy paw.
Poppy paw. Rifle ammo. Okay, this thing again.
Guessing game.
This is different.
Ooh. 1 and 2.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Wait, 7 work too.
1, 2.
1, 2.
1, 2.
7?
6.
Nope.
1, 2, 6.
1, 2, 6. 8.
8.
Oh my god. 3? Nope. 1, 2, 6, 8, 4.
6, 8, 4. Not 3.
5, 7, 3.
Sick.
Got it.
Assault rifle. Sick. Let me give you rifle ammo. There you go.
It's mine now.
It's very good. It's very good. It'd be nice if we could get out with it. Shall we do the jail area while we can?
You take SMG this time, I guess. We're doing a little trade.
We're doing a little trade.
Even though I never used my SMG last time.
Yeah, let's do all this malarkey, shall we? Look how the baseball bat sucks.
I need to compare.
Oh yeah, sure.
Contrast.
Right. Ooh, this is slightly
different. Is it the same as last time, or God, I hate these kind of like puzzles. Oh, I got it.
Oh.
Like I remember there was like a terrible one that was like incredibly annoying in what was that game called?
Which one?
One with the robot people.
One with the robot people. Alien Isolation?
Kind of Resident Evil like. No, I want to call it Sigil Hill for some reason.
Sigil Hill? That sounds like a video ass game name though. Yo, y'all play that new Sigil Hill game? Such a vibe. Oh, I need to increase your volume. I'm very bad for streaming stuff today. I apologize to everyone. Ah! Sorry, some dude just came out the wall.
Oh.
There we go. Okay, can you say some stuff, Haley?
Hello.
Yeah, that seems right.
Spiked bat one-shots, okay.
No way.
Well, at least when you hold down the thing. I don't know about not holding down.
Oh, fuck.
I don't really... Oh, let me test. Okay.
Okay.
Not really good when you don't hold it down, but when you hold it down, it's one-shots.
Understood.
That noise is awful.
It's very bad, yeah.
Meow.
Yeah, with this, the standard baseball bat, charging it all the way just knocks them down. It's handy, obviously you want to do it, but it's not death.
What? I didn't kill that one. Maybe
that dude had
it was
armor
like
on
an
it.
Armored one.
Yeah. Oh, Haley.
Yes.
Bad thing over there. Bad thing over there.
Bad thing.
Yeah.
Oh, the vomit guy. Hold on.
Yeah, you got an idea. I got a grenade
okay.
I want to use on him.
Yeah, throw a grenade.
Watch out, he's too close to you. On it.
That's a Molotov.
That's a Molotov. You're right. Oh, what's happening? Why is he jiggling?
Because he's blowing up. I didn't realize he was blowing up.
The audio is still all messed up. Can you split it so that Az is coming out the left ear and Haley in the right ear? I might be able to, but I don't know if it's a good idea.
Yeah, I don't have health. Whoops.
I can give you some healing item. Hang on. Here you go. Take that.
Oh. Full health also.
Oh fuck.
No, don't hoard right now.
Yeah,
no.
yeah, they're hoarding. They're coming.
Oh. Oh, behind.
Oh. Oh, the line of sight thing is kind of creepy too. What? Why did that hit me?
Okay.
I need to combine because I'm on yellow HP right now.
What the hell is on TV?
I was gonna say, why is the TV showing off a zombie?
Yeah, why was there like a jump scare on the TV? There was screaming.
Quite cool.
Screaming.
Anything over here?
Part of the croissant.
Yep, same thing as before.
Okay, and then this is a code, I guess. Did we ever find out this code over here?
There is another place that has a keypad thing on it. Wait, hang on. Oh, Haley, it's the computer password. This is what it's supposed to be for this.
Oh, it wants Ferdies.
Yeah, okay, we were putting the password into the wrong thing.
Where's Ferdy?
I have no idea.
Tell me who Ferdy is.
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Who's Ferdy? You all better not fall from the ceiling.
They're totally gonna fall from... Ah! They're totally gonna fall from the ceiling!
Oh.
We told you not to do that!
Okay, yeah. Oh, people!
Oh my god, they take so many fucking hits. Ooh, SMG.
Yeah.
Okay. Give me this.
Oh no, croissant.
Pistol.
Okay. We got.
Okay, you got it. I'm gonna head to the computer.
Ferdy. You think Donnie K is like in remembrance of Donkey Kong?
100%. All right, I'm at the computer terminal. Let me pull up a calculator. Hit me.
23. 46, 21.
Sorry, 23.
46, 21.
46, 21. Okay.
05.
Yep.
May, whatever month May is.
May is the 5th.
1963. So 5/5, 1963.
All right. See if this works. 2851884. Authenticating. Verified.
Yo, what you got? What's it got?
Thanks to you, Captain. The mining permit has been granted. Gift for the little help. Stash it safely inside the armory. The room code is 720858. 720-858.
Yes.
720-858. Let's go.
Yes. I need this.
All right, calm down. Beep up. I'll put my volume up. I can finally hear them. I didn't realize they talked.
Yeah, you gotta listen for the croissant.
The baseball bat makes a very satisfying sound. 20. Yep.
858.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Does this say anything yet? Nope.
Cloth. Okay, there's the item that we need.
I say we just grab it. There's a lot more SMG ammo around.
Than before, right?
Well, I mean, even before there was a lot, but there's like no assault rifle ammo.
Yeah, weird. All right, let's get the fuck out of here. Yeah. This way, I guess. Yep, straight down. This is it.
Gotcha.
Oh, there's a thing right there.
That.
Oh,
I don't. Yep, hair.
There she is.
Hair.
I see her.
Hair.
I see the hair.
Can I throw a grenade?
I'd
like to throw a grenade.
Do it. Do it.
Oh, I threw a grenade on myself.
Okay, that's not what. Yeah.
What about that? Did that work?
That worked. Maybe. I'm dying.
We can leave.
Okay, hang on. I can't get out of this thing. I'm stuck.
Where is she?
I'm coming. Leave. Oh, she almost coming. Oh. That was scary.
Oh, we got the local clinic unlocked.
Fantastic. All right. Okay. So.
Yes.
I'm gonna learn this skill. I'm gonna choose
martial arts, and then hopefully it
spike
gives
bat.
you
I see
the thing.
Okay, I'm gonna make a spike back. This is it. Spike back, baby. We did it. Woo!
So did we do all of the things? Then?
Clip it. Someone clip that. We definitely did 2 of them. I'm just not sure about the timed map one.
I can try looking up the time. What is it labeled as on the website? Time attack.
Let's see. Hey, welcome in, Neil.
Hello.
Any time attack map.
Time attack. I just put time attack. That probably works.
Yeah.
Whisper Mountain Outbreak.
SMG ammo. Do I need to reload this? I do.
Time and attack. Oh, why am I reading off the AI thing? Oh, I'm doing it anyway. Time and attack likely refer to specific gameplay mechanics in the survival horror game Whisper Mountain Outbreak, where time attacks could be a challenge or mission to complete within a time limit, while Outbreak refers to the central premise of a zombie-infested world. In the game, players must manage limited inventory, find weapons and resources, solve puzzles, and survive against zombie hordes and missions before returning to a base for upgrades. Understanding the terms time in survival horror, time often refers to a resource to be managed or a challenge to be completed within a set duration.
Oh my god. I hate it.
Attack. This refers to the combat mechanic in the game involving melee and ranged weapons to defend against enemies. This thing sucks.
Yes, it does. SMG ammo, SMG ammo. Okay, I'm gonna go full on SMG for this one, I guess. I'm gonna store that,
I'm getting like 2 clips from people that are just labeled time attack for this game.
Okay, let's see what I have here. Extraction. Time rush is what this game refers to as like quick ones. I assume it's that. Time rush, yeah.
Yeah, so we already did one.
Yeah, we did.
So we did all 3 of the things.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. I think we did it.
Hip hip hooray.
I think so, yeah, we did it. We're almost at the end as well.
We are.
Well, there's one big one at the very top that this is all leading into.
Okay.
I wonder what that type of mission is.
Do we, like, try and get to that mission and then, like, I don't know. I don't know.
Probably item. Yeah, we can switch over after this if you got like other thing ready.
Yeah. I got other thing ready if you want to do other thing, which I'm kind of interested in doing other thing.
Me too. I do want to play more of this as well. Doesn't have to be today though.
Yeah.
Ooh, this one sounds good. This one also sounds good. Okay, do you want to secure the Shamisen scroll, or do you want to destroy the Blood Queen and extract her core? You heard. Understanding the terms time may refer to the dimension in which we are all inexorably going through until our demise. Thank you, Kyle.
Which one are you looking at? Oh.
City
Destroy
Hospital, abandoned
Blood
factory.
Queen.
Yeah?
I am curious of what the Blood Queen even is.
Oh my god, it's such a big map. Holy shit.
Yeah, I mean, they're both big maps, even the hospital one.
Fuck it, let's go.
Wait, I didn't use any of my points yet.
Do it.
Fitness and health? No, military? I don't know. Military. Unlock ammo crafting, unlock firearm crafting, unlock explosives craft. I don't want any of that. Can I? No. I can't, like, decide my decision.
I don't think so, no.
That sucks. I guess rifle ammo. More rifle ammo.
More rifle ammo,
more
yeah.
Rifle.
I just took a scope on my SMG.
More rifle ammo and more rifle ammo and
Appreciate
more
the luck, buddy.
rifle ammo and more rifle ammo and more rifle ammo and
Our internet has gone down?
I can't make anything else.
No, it seems fine right now.
Yeah. For the moment, things be fine.
Yeah, there seemed like there's one big mission like right above us. I'd like to complete that circle if possible, but I'm guessing this is going to be really rough.
And we only have one more life left.
I'm risking my life to give you this info. Make it count. I can't hold on much longer. Your weapons can't pierce the petals protecting the creature. Find and destroy all of the 3 blood seeds scattered in the factory to open up the petals. Once the petals are open, that's your chance. She has a biological structure like a heart. Use a toxin to destroy her from the inside, and as attacking her directly will alert her ugly friends. So these things interact. I need toxin chemical. Oh. Okay.
Pistol. Lighter?
Ooh, that'll
come
come in handy.
Do we need a lighter for something?
Probably. Whoa, easy. I go this way? Oh.
Oh.
Oops.
Oh, run,
Oops.
run.
Oops. I don't think hitting it with a baseball bat was gonna be like... Oh, there's a bunch of lockers over here. Pistol ammo. SMG ammo. SMG. Pistol. Green herb. Can I open up this? I can. I'm in the docking area.
Oh, there's another projector. There's a projector.
There's always a projector. Ooh, projectoring.
Proverb on a note.
Poop. Pistol. Oh, there's a bunch of nasty things over there. Technician report.
Come in, I'm
coming. Where are you?
Big guy.
Is he coming? Okay, I'm throwing a thing. Watch out.
Big guy.
I missed.
Big guy.
I missed.
Big guy.
Well, you know.
I don't have any other things to throw, actually.
Oh, he coming.
He's really focused on you.
Yeah, he really wants me. I'm just gonna keep circling if you want to just like poke him in the back.
Oh, another zombie spawned.
Yeah, I hit him. Just the once.
I'm out. Okay,
Oh, ow.
There we go. Hold on. I'm circling. I'm dead.
The little tonk on the back. Oh, that was good.
Oh, I need to read the proverb.
It's a proverb here? Oh. Foolishness is like a fish that believes its small pond is the vast universe.
Appreciated, Milling.
What are you docking into, Az? I am doing no such docking. Worker heard the factory might close due to the crisis. Let's meet in the warehouse tonight. Or bring some cigarettes for the guys. I'll bring the lighter. Okay, that's telling us where the lighter was.
For people.
Very verbal. How you doing, Oz?
SMG ammo over here.
Ooh, wouldn't mind.
Yeah, Oz.
I've got to finish checking out the bathroom.
Oz.
SMG. Herb.
Oh, I found the thing. Can are you near the lighter? I mean, near the thing, near the projector.
Oh, I am not, but I think I can be. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, quickly.
Yep.
One.
Middle right. No, top left.
Top left.
Yeah.
3.
Bottom left.
Bottom left. F.
Bottom middle.
Bottom middle. G.
Middle left.
Middle left. Who?
Bottom right.
Bottom right. H.
Top middle.
Top middle. Okay. Perfect timing.
Yep.
SMG ammo over here if
On my way.
want. There's also another pistol over here for some reason.
Interesting. Whoa, is this the thing? Oh, sledgehammer. I want to try the sledgehammer. Equip this stuff, yeah. Okay.
Shotgun shells.
Oh, this is so slow, Haley. This is so slow. That's my quick attack.
It's gotta be powerful.
God, I hope so. What's
Looks
this?
like there was something lying at the bottom of the pond.
Oh, I drained it.
Did we just drain the pond?
I did. There's a key in there.
Power panel key? Let me eat. this real quick.
I have so much pistol ammo. I'm gonna have to just equip the pistol for a bit. And just
Do you have a
spam
shotgun? Or should we
it.
just
I
leave
don't
that
have a
there
shotgun.
for now?
You can leave it there for now, I guess. There might be one on this map.
At least it like leaves a thing of it like Resident Evil.
Yeah, that's just nice.
I am excited for RE9.
Oh yeah, we're gonna learn more about it this month, I assume. Though I don't know if I'm interested in learning any more about it. Staff room key.
Yeah, I'm feeling that same way.
Revolve
where
around.
it's like I know I'm gonna get it. I mean, it's a Resident Evil game. I'm definitely gonna get it.
Yeah.
Staff room key.
I am full. Do you need pistol ammo?
Tonic,
Can I give you some pistol ammo? No? Okay, cool.
I have 2 stacks and then some.
Same, that's why I switched to pistol. Yep,
and
okay.
And then the Silent Hill game is out like later this month too.
Ooh, F, yeah.
Yeah.
I applied for a key for that, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. But I did it anyway.
I picked it up like last weekend.
Sick. It does look really cool.
Though I'm probably just gonna wait for like October
I think
to
I'm
actually
gonna
play it.
use one of these just because there's so many of these.
That's a lot of zombies. Monday, September 22nd, 1997. I will check the water tank in the laundry room due to a leak that needs fixing.
In the laundry room.
I'm also taking the tool shed key. I'll return once the work is done.
Yeah, tool shed key needed for that. G ammo? Jesus Christ, I got so much ammo.
Were we in the tool shed key? I mean, were we in the tool shed?
I don't know. Fuck. It's a pretty cool. Oh, there's a SMG over here.
Oh. What does this do?
Oh, I get it.
Something?
The charge attack of this heli doesn't do more damage. It just does like a circular attack. That's really interesting.
Is it good?
I think it's good for crowds. If I'm surrounded, this is a pretty good weapon.
What is this? I have to destroy all blood seeds to make this thing vulnerable.
Oh, spitty thing.
Oh fuck, there's things behind us too. Where is it? Take a Molotov. Did that hit it? I can't really see. There's so much red on my screen.
There's a lot of red.
I'm dying continuously.
I killed it. I just shot it to death. I got so much fucking bullets.
I don't have a lot of health all of a sudden.
Do you need some health?
Control lever can only be used.
Here you go. Take this.
So.
I got some mixed herb here. Oh, is this a puzzle?
What?
Not sure what I'm doing here. I filled up the red one.
Is it depending on which area we can go to? What is this?
So.
What is this?
What is that?
What?
Whoa,
like
that's a
slide puzzle?
I love shit like this. Why isn't it moving? How did it? Oh, I see. Oh, it's making a noise, Haley. Did it? I think. No.
Oh,
I didn't do it.
I did it.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Oh, it's a staff room
Staff room key. Fantastic.
I'm holding like 2 keys.
And there's a locked door we just went past. There wasn't for it. Okay, let's get to one of the locked rooms.
I'm gonna pick up the SMG, I guess.
This way maybe?
Oh.
Turn on the electricity to get through, right? There's electricity on
Is
the
that
side.
the electricity right there?
Yeah, where else can we go? Cafeteria.
Oh, I've used the power panel key.
Oh yeah? Sweet.
Oh god, this isn't a good time for a horde. Oh, that thing looks really good though.
Once you get like a bit of space so you can fully charge up, that's super useful. Because they just all get knocked down. Big fan. Okay, keep going. I'll cover us.
Fuck. Yeah.
As a whirlwind. I'll name my son that, Oz. Yeah, seem like they're done. Oh, there's little red markers. This one's slightly different then?
I don't like these things. I don't like them. They're confusing. Okay, hold on. Hold on. No.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you did?
Yep. Just brute forced it.
I was trying.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's just luck. Ooh, herb.
Ooh, revolver. You like using
Nice.
that, right?
I do, but
and
I don't
more
have
shotgun shells.
I have a ton of space, but I'll take it.
Shotgun shells for the shotgun we don't have.
We don't have, yeah.
Was this the locked door that we tried to go through earlier?
It was a one-way door. This one that we just did, and then the other one at the top is a locked door as well, but we don't have a key for that one.
So we need to go to the staff room.
We still need the toxic thing, don't we? So yeah, maybe bottom right. We could try that.
Going to the laboratory.
Yeah, going towards the laboratory and the staff office.
Yeah.
See what we need from there.
Yeah.
Yeah, looking forward to going in there. Oh, there's the shotgun. I can see it. Huh.
Oh.
Yeah, it's through that gate.
Interact.
Huh? Oh, you have to shut off the valves? Okay. But we have to go through here first to do that. Tool shed key. Didn't you get the tool shed key?
Yeah.
Can you open this thing? Oh.
No, I have the staff room key.
Oh. Oh. Okay. And how the fuck do we... Okay, other side of this, we can get to the staff room. Well, the laboratory, anyway.
Yeah, and then make our way downtown.
Walking fast.
Faces pass.
Ooh, what's this? Green herb. I'm gonna mix those together because I have no room.
Use green herb. Oh, I'm in the staff office, I think.
I am on the way.
There's another guy.
Swinging. Staff diary.
Oh, it's another projector.
Front yard garden. 2 nowhere's down for his closest to no one noticed the body.
Revolver
in the old
round.
pond. Oh, we already have that. Revolver rounds? Fantastic. Molotov. SMG.
Shotgun shells. Revolver rounds.
Revolver. Inventory full? What do you mean inventory full? Shit.
Maxed out on revolver rounds?
No, other things. Other things. Lots of other things. Hilly, you got any space?
Revolver rounds.
I'm guessing you don't have space.
Shotgun shells.
Okay.
I do. No, I don't.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to come back for
I do
it then.
not have space.
Knowledge is like the sun. Its rays guide us towards a prosperous and advanced world. Cool. Okay, thank you for that.
I don't really see what was important about this room.
I guess the cord on the side there, whatever that leads to.
What code?
The one on the wall, the projector.
Oh, right,
yeah.
the projector.
And the staff,
Yeah.
the diary told us about where the key is, but we got the key. And this and that.
Yeah.
Something on the something. God, there's so many
Oh,
fucking items.
I found it. I found it.
Yeah, okay. On the way.
the-
On the way. On the way. Need this pipe.
Oh god, it's starting. Never mind.
Wow.
Wait, no, I need it like projector.
Oh, that's what you meant. Right. Bring them towards me if you can. I can't move very fast when I'm swinging.
Oh god, oh god. Okay, they're here.
Yeah, I took some damage there, which I didn't want.
Oh. Oh, as...
Yeah, what's up?
We can't go back the way we came.
Fuck! Gotta use more pistol ammo. Oh, it's one of these. That's a big sack of something.
We just gotta loop around.
Oh, if you're going that way, then I'll whip by the thing.
Gotta loop around, yeah. Just gotta loop that steam's on. Gotta take the longer way.
The red pipe. Maybe I should have shut off the red pipe completely. Right. Don't know if I want to heal now or wait till I find another green herb. I'm just gonna take it now. Then I can have actual space. Imagine that.
Yeah. Okay.
You there?
Yeah.
Alright, D.
Middle.
7.
Above D.
G.
Next to the 7. To the right.
8.
I'm going to... No. Left of D.
Okay, 6.
Right of D.
E.
Top left.
Sorted.
Okay.
We're in.
I head over.
Oh my god, there's so many things in here. Chemical manual. Turn on the computer. Enter chemical mixing. Check the connection between the mixing apparatus and the computer. Check raw materials. Fiber solvent, red. Fiber molecule adhesive, blue. Fiber protein breaking enzyme, yellow. Separate elements into each chemical. Arrange so each mixture contains the same elements. The simulation is successful when all the chemicals are correctly arranged. Warning, avoid direct contact. Liquids are cohesive. Storing containers resistant to chemical reactions. High doses can damage biological structures by breaking down proteins and fats. I think the last page was useless. I love all the little stuff on here. It's really cool. This is such a cool room. I love all the little chemicals and shit.
Oh.
Hey, what's up? Oh, sick. Oh, I love stuff like this. Okay, yeah. I know what to do. All right. Take. Put down here. Take. Over there. Give me this. Give me this. This. Okay, that one's done.
How come we can't put them up?
Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Done.
What?
That's very goopy.
Oh.
Inventory
How
full.
many of these do we need?
We need 3, I think. If we got 4, maybe we need 4. I don't know.
I have 1.
I need to make space.
Oh, there are herbs in here, and I need them.
Herbs.
I can combine pistol ammo into other. No, I can't. I should be able to. I can. Okay.
Combine with this one. Drop all. Okay. I've got 2 other toxin thingies with us now.
Same.
Okay, let's go.
I'm going to.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, no. I'm definitely going to need one of these herbs.
Yeah, I'm on 69 HP.
Oh, it's
that's fine,
worse.
that's fine. We got this.
Did I just drop pistol ammo for my new pistol ammo? Oh, behind.
Yep.
Oh, is that a hare?
Yep. Keep going if you can. We got this,
grenade.
we got this.
I'm dead, I'm so dead.
It's chasing after me. I don't know why it's so fixed on me.
Second. Can I shoot it from over here?
Oh!
A?
We got it. Oh,
look,
okay.
Double
clip. If someone could clip that just in case, because that came with sound, that'd be fantastic. Oh.
That came with sound.
Yeah, I forgot to put the sound on before.
I need a crank handle. We need so many things.
You're just clipping it. It's a hair maiden. The second hair maiden that we took down. I'll send them both clips if we have to. I need healing. I'm on yellow HP right now. I'm not happy about that.
Same.
Okay, so we just need to go to the pods now, Haley, and toxin them. We discovered 2 of them already. One's in that starting area, but we got places above us we can check out as well now.
What was the point of this room?
No idea. Okay,
Perhaps.
Shotgun shells for that shotgun that we don't have. Oh, there's goop here?
Goop?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh god, what
Cloth.
As there are 2 things, we should have taken a picture.
2 things?
There are 2 things. We should have taken a picture.
Oh my god. Oh my god, yeah, it's the same as the other one.
Oh, we should have taken a picture.
I'm gonna see whether or not this is a cheeky way of like... No, okay, well, I tried. No other door here? Oh, there's a... No, that's not a way out. Okay, I see you're already heading back.
Yeah. Is it this thing? I have to destroy all blood seeds? Well, where are the blood seeds?
That's the big red things on the map. We started off near one.
Red thing.
Yeah.
I can't get in that room, though. Can I? No, we can't get in that room because we don't have the tool shed key.
We
do not have the tool shed key.
This is very elaborate.
Yeah.
Inventory full? On what? I don't have any healing stuff. Oh, the toxins. Yeah, I need to start using up some of these toxins. I'm going to come to you again. We'll take screenshots of the things that we need. Wait, what just happened?
I have destroyed one thing.
Oh, it's opening up. Fantastic.
Oh, the starting one. Okay.
You guys gonna open this gate or what?
Gate? What?
Yeah, that gate that they're all hitting against.
Oh, probably as soon as we get the tool shed key. Wait, but I only see the 2.
Yeah. Yeah, there's another one that we haven't found yet.
Okay, there's this one, there's this one, there's this one, there's this one.
You found one? Okay. Can you take screenshots of them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Started picking up shotgun shells, which I will immediately ditch as soon as I see health. The sound is playing, Haley. I would like to get together. Where are you?
You were kinda close a second ago, right? I'm in the bathroom.
The fuck does that mean?
The toilet.
Yeah, okay.
The cafeteria.
How do I get down there? Okay. Okay, here they come.
There's gonna be like another demon thing.
Yeah,
I feel like it
100%.
may be better to be out in the open area,
Possibly.
right?
There's an explosive barrel over here, which I thought might be nice. A bit in the corner, though. Oh, there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. Oh!
Oh.
Yep. Not happy. My current state of affairs.
No, I am not either. I am like on the death state
Same.
of
I'm
red.
dead. I'm dead. I'm dying.
I am also dead.
No, we got so close. Oh man, that was really. Oh, we could.
26 minutes.
Man, that's really tough.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, game over.
But we did the things, and that's what.
Yeah, the things do matter. Is that you saying that you want to switch game, or you want to do more of this?